YouTube, man? It's your boy Big Grizz. We back with another sneaker unboxing video. Now, if y'all know, if y'all cop shoes, if you see this tape, you know it can only come from one place. And I told y'all I hit on a pair of shoes from this place right here. I told y'all I got early access, man. So this is the boxing unveiling, man. I'm about to review the shoes, man. These are, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. I'm happy. And also, I'm copping some other shoes this week, too. I'll tell you guys during the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. On the road to 1,200 subs. All my sneakerheads tap in. Jordan fans tap in. Share with a friend, man. Sneaker channel soon. Without further ado, let's get into the sneaker unboxing. Let's get it! Alright, y'all. So, if y'all didn't guess by now, these came from the Sneakers app. Yes, your boy hit on these on the Sneakers app. Let's just open them. I mean, if you've seen these shoes, you already know what they are by the box. You know what I'm saying? You already know. Oh my God, this box is hard too. You already know what's in here, man. You should already know. You see the Jordan logo. We'll just go over the box real quick. You know what I'm saying? You see the Jordan logo. Ignore this part. I opened my box with a damn pen, and I thought they was going to put some, like, usually they put bubble wrap and shit. No, it was just literally the box of shoes. They just said here, bro. They didn't put nothing down. I'm kind of sick because I like the box. And, you know, some people, not that I'm saying I'm going to sell these, but if I ever wanted to, you know, some people hate. You know, some people hate. You know, they real particular about the box. Me, personally, I don't give a fuck about the box. I don't wear the box, I wear the shoes, you dig? So let's get into this label reading. Make sure I hit the we got Air Jordan 11 Retro. We got black, the colorway is black, multicolor noir. Jordan size 12, retails $220, made in China, blah, 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 blah. You know, y'all see the back and everything. It looks like it's recyclable, made in China. Control. And let me just show y'all how the box opened up. I thought this was cool as well, too. Hold up. And so it opens up like this. And you pull it back like that, right? And then this part, oh shit, opens down like that. And then, you know what I'm saying? Okay, ooh. Yo! Whoa! Jesus Christ! Okay, so as y'all know, if y'all don't know, if y'all been living under a rock, let me get rid of the box real quick. Put that out. Here's the wrapping paper. This is what the wrapping paper look like. Look like it got Jordan 2020, the Jumpman with the 2020 on it. I don't know if y'all can see the 2020 in there, but it is on there. This is the box, though. Hold on, let me get it. All right, there we go. Damn, this thing is, god damn it. Motherfucker. All right, y'all, here we go. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. Nah, y'all ready? Here they go, bruh. The Jordan 11 Jubilees, the 25th, aka 25th anniversary 11s. Y'all, I gotta be real with y'all. This is my first official pair of 11s, and I'm not bad. I'm not mad at them, man. I'm not mad at them. Let's get into the shoe, man. You see the black? This is embedded right here. Let me get y'all a closer view of this shoe, man. Look at this shoe, man. It's John pretty. You got the little metal, or I guess plastic, whatever that is. Now, me personally, I like this, man. I was seeing my bro Drizzy said he ain't like it. You know what I'm saying? I like it though. You see the Jordan going up the shoe and shit. You know what I'm saying? This is a nice shoe, bro. Oh my God. You see the 23, same materials, the plastic. You know what I'm saying? Then inside the shoe, I don't know if y'all can see. Hold on. We got the 25 right there for 25 years. You know what I'm saying? Got the 25. It looks backwards to me, but to me, it's not backwards. I see 2.5. Y'all see, it look like y'all see 5.2. That's what I see. Shit. Yeah. And then we got the back of the shoe. You know what I'm saying? Clean white bottom with the gray. I like that part. I like the gray. Y'all know gray is one of my favorite colors. This is a nice ass, smooth ass shoe, man. Like, oh my God, I cannot wait to throw these on feet. These is perfect. Let me get y'all more up close view of these Jones, man. Look at these shoes. These is perfect. My first official pair of 11s, I guess, as an adult. I mean, I do got the 11 lows, but I'm talking about official 11s, like high top 11s, Jordan 11s. These is my first pair as a grown man, you dig? I always wanted these as a kid. I still trying to get them cool gray 11s as well too, to go with these, but this is the first pair and I'm happy with them. Some people were saying that they don't like these shoes, and me personally, I was like, cool, I'm a simple kind of guy, man. Any shoe that I could just throw on with and match with whatever the hell I got on, I love. And that's what this shoe basically is for me. Like, I feel like you can match this joint with anything. You know what I'm saying? Anything. Like, this is a good shoe. I like the quality. I like the texture, like up here. It's a good shoe, man. Like the materials. I love the materials. I got a few little Woodills peaks, but it's supposed to be like that, I was told. And this came from Sneakers, so I mean, I'm not worried about getting a fake pair of shoes from Sneakers because it's the Nike official app, you dig? So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Did I cop an L? Is these heat? Did y'all get them? Like I said, I got these when we got exclusive access on them. God damn it, where my phone at? Hold on, I gotta get my other phone so I can tell y'all when I bought these shoes, man. All right, here we go. Let me go to my Sneakers app real quick. You know what I'm saying? Let me still show y'all the shoes. You know what I'm saying? These is pretty though, man. I like the 23 at the back. I really do like that, and I like the jump, man. I mean, they don't gotta be stitched in, bro. These are still nice quality shoes. You dig? So give me 1 second. Let me go on my Sneakers, see when I ordered these. This is the day when everybody got that exclusive access. And I didn't even cop these from Unbreakable. Shout out the YouTuber Unbreakable. You know what I'm saying? He's the one that actually got me back into copping sneaks again. My brother told me about his channel, and since then I slowly got back into sneaks. But Unbreak did a live with these when they went, but I didn't even see it. So I grabbed these. Here go my sneakers and stuff. Here they go right there. So I purchased these on the 12th. These came, the 12th is when they did the exclusive access. So what, last week or whatever, I didn't even think I was gonna hit on these. I don't know if y'all watched my last sneaker vid that I did where I explained me getting these, but I didn't even know if I was gonna hit on these. I just put my order, then I went to go do something else. It came back, and then it was like, your order has been processed, and I got the confirmation. Bro, I was happy as hell. That was my second hit off of sneakers. The first one was the fives, the off-white fives, which is gone now. I did get them, but I sold them. Like, they've been sold. Like, I've been sold those shoes. Somebody offered me an amazing amount of money. Them Johns is out of here. I'm sorry, I wasn't about to sell them Johns for no $200-300. Them shoes is going almost for 2 bands plus. So just know them white sales, y'all ain't see a video of them white sales, they just didn't make it, but these did make it. You know what I'm saying? I still want the whites, them other fives, but somebody offered me, when they found out I had the size, they offered me a pretty substantial amount for them shoes. I'm talking about car payment amount, I'm talking about like rent amount, I'm talking about like 1,000+ amount. So yeah, I sold them Johns. Adios. You know what I'm saying? I still got my other off-whites. I still got the gray ones. I haven't worn them yet. I was supposed to wear them when we go to Thanksgiving for Virginia, but turns out Thanksgiving is going to be happening here, so I won't be, you know, breaking those out. Maybe I'll wear them for Thanksgiving around the house or something. I don't know. But yeah, these joints is crazy. But I want to talk about what I'm copping next, y'all, because we about to be getting to the end of the video, and y'all know that's what. Look at these soles real quick. You see the carbon fiber and shit. You know what I'm saying? You see that. But I wanted to tell y'all what shoes I was copping. So the shoes I'm copping, I'm probably not. I don't know if I'm gonna cop Jordans like the end of the year. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm grabbing. It's actually on Sneakers. So on Thursday, these come out. It's the Air Max Magma Oranges. Oh my God, y'all know, if y'all know me, I love Air Maxes. Air Maxes is exactly my favorite shoe, period. I love Air Maxes. So that is definitely a must grab. That's a must grab. These come out Thursday for $140. Y'all let me know if y'all's trying to grab these. Is y'all aiming for these? What you think, bro? Look at these, man. I know it's orange, but just look at this shoe. Oh my God, that's a beautiful shoe, man. Oh my goodness. And I love Air Max ones. Like I said, if you've been watching my sneaker videos, you know that. I'm also trying to get these. These come out Thursday as well. The ceramic dunk lows. I'm trying to get these as well. It is orange only because if y'all don't know my new merch, the Grizzly Reaction merch, I have an orange hoodie that matches perfectly with both of those. So perfect. And also, I'm gonna let you know what else I'm trying to grab. Hold on, let me scroll down a little bit. I'm trying to grab these Air Max ones too, the Spiral Sages. It's like an olive color, almost like an olive color. Look at that shoe, man. Beautiful as well. I need them as well too. I'm trying to start my Air Max 1 collection, Air Max collection back up. So that looks like for this month, that's what I'll be copping for the rest of this month. And I'm gonna try to get them Fire Red 4s as well. I'm gonna definitely try to get them Fire Red 4s. So those two Air Maxes and those Fire Red 4s, that'll probably be the last couple shoes that I get before the end of the month. I just want the Fire Red 4s because that shoe, red and black and white, is my favorite colors, and gray. So like, I really want them shoes. So I'm gonna try to get them. If I don't, then I just don't. But yeah, I did do the top 5, but some of those sneakers that I put on my top 5 list, we're gonna have to put on hold because I'm buying a car by the end of December. Nah, like December, the middle of December, I'm buying a car. Yeah, that's when he's bringing the car down. The middle of December, I'm buying the car. So the shoes that I named, like those Travis Scotts and stuff, like I'm still getting the Travis Scott ones for Christmas, but the other shoes, they just gonna wait real quick. You know, I'm just grabbing general release because those shoes are already re-released, so I'm gonna have to get them off resale. So I'm probably gonna be spending a pretty penny on those shoes. So that money that I'm spending on them shoes could be towards that car. So that's what I'm doing, just being smart. So we're only getting the releases that's coming out. If I'm not grabbing them, then it is what it is. Then I just won't grabbing the shoes because I'm not doing resale no more, just because I'm trying to be smart and get a car. But those are the shoes that I'm thinking about grabbing. That's it for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Once again, let me give you one more go around of the shoes. Y'all tell me what y'all think, if y'all like them, if y'all don't. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comments. Give y'all just one more quick little turnaround of the shoe. Show you the back one more time. Once again, this is Grizzly Reactions. We appreciate y'all for tuning in. More heat on the way. Let me know what other stuff y'all want to see. I do have some reactions dropping today. I'm just waiting until I get off work because I wanted to chill on my lunch break today. So y'all that's waiting for the reactions, I got y'all. Just hold on. Just stay calm. You dig? Coming soon. But that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Grizzly Reacts, 12,000 subs by Friday. Let's get it.